Hi, I'm Thalia, a travel expert at Asia Odyssey Travel, and this is my digital avatar. I may be new to the industry, but in just a year, I've already helped many travelers create unforgettable journeys. What I bring is fresh energy, sincerity, and a detail-oriented approach that makes each trip feel personal. My own travels through Hunan, Fujian, Yunnan, Fujian, and even Vietnam have given me insight into diverse cultures and practical tips I love to share. I enjoy tailoring trips to what excites you most: cultural workshops, adventurous hikes, or peaceful retreats. For me, every journey is special, and I listen closely to turn your wishes into a smooth, memorable adventure. Let's create your perfect travel story together with Asia Odyssey Travel.